Jordy, shut up. This is it. He's nursing it in.
Oh, yeah.
Do you like that?
Oh, he kind of likes that. Let's have another bite. Oh, look at that, sweetie. What is that?
He's really nursing it in.
Yes. He's an instinctive eater, as we might have guessed.
More? What do you think? That's Mama.
Some confusion, and we're back.
Keep it in there, buddy.
It works.